I got this lawnmower was another one, and the other one was working, and the HRX is not working. So I put some juice in the carb, and it ran for a few seconds, then stopped. So that means there's no fuel getting into the system. So today we're gonna clean the carb. Honda looks nice. I power washed it before, and you can see the tires and everything. Some rust here. Can repaint that. So yeah, and also the shifter is stuck. I'm gonna have to do it. Just take it apart from the bottom and clean it. Maybe some grass got stuck into it, so we're gonna look into that as well. There's gas in the tank. Probably I'm gonna empty that out and put fresh gas once. Make sure we're gonna take the. So I took out the cover and the air filter. Now it's like you need a 10 millimeter socket. So also I have to take this bolt out or loosen it, so those two bolts and come out, and then it will be easier to take the carb outside and clean it. Okay, so 10 millimeter, just take those out. To make sure the order the way they came out, so when to put it back. Okay. It's okay, so it's actually 3 bolts. This is small one for the cover, and the 2 big ones for the whole carb and the other gasket and all. So loosen that one too. Alright. Now it should come out easy. Okay. I'm just gonna pull the bolts out. Okay. Cool. There's a breather hose here. As you can see, it's very dirty. Probably will store a long time. A breather hose. And should be there's a gasket over here. It's right here. I'm not gonna touch that. That's, as you can see, this is definitely will stop the car from supplying fuel. So I'm just gonna clean that later. Okay, so as we said, there's a gasket over here. I'm not gonna touch that on the plate and the system inside. So there is this is a heat shield. So just gonna leave it alone for now. So now it's time to take the carb out. So okay, it's a good thing to take a picture. So I'm just gonna loosen that bolt so it's easy for me to work. And also I'll shut the gas line, so the hose for the gas is kind of loose. Don't know, somebody play with that. It's like a sleeve for it, I guess. It's a sleeve for the line. So let me loosen that. As you can see, the blade move, so I'm just gonna I took out the first linkage, and also I'm just gonna, I need to disconnect the fuel line. You can even see so much dirt in there. To take the clamp out first, and then let's see if I can take it by my hand. Yeah, it comes out. I don't want to break it. Alright, so now I can tilt. So I'll take the small linkage first, the governor. Okay, make sure it doesn't fly, and then you can tilt that, and it comes right off. As you can see, it's very dirty. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean it from outside, and then we're gonna open it and check it out from inside. Probably it's clogged somewhere. So I cleaned the car from outside, and there's a gasket still there, so I'm just gonna leave it alone, because if I take it out it might get, you know, damage. So I'm just gonna take out this drain bolt and drain the carb, so I don't make a mess over here. I'll be right back. So I took it out, and there's like a liquid inside. It was like a milky liquid. That's weird. It's not like water, it's not like fuel, it's like soap or like milk. That's weird, the first time I see that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it back. Now I'm gonna take out the adjust the so alright, okay, I'm just gonna, alright, see, that's what I was saying. See that looks like a milk. I don't know what's that, it's like a soap or something, I don't know. It doesn't even smell like gas, period. So yeah, so I'm just gonna take out and no wonder why it's not running. Okay, got some plier, maybe it'll work. For some reason it's stuck there. Okay, I believe push it from the other side. Okay, now we can take the float. and the needle, and that's how it looks. See, it's like whitish, you know. So I'm gonna try to spray with some carb cleaner, or I just bought a new ultrasonic cleaner, but I haven't opened it yet or used it, so I'm gonna try to clean it with just manual. If I couldn't, I'll just, you know, get the ultrasonic cleaner. Also, there is a gasket here, so I'm not gonna touch because it's gonna break anyway, because it's already, as you can see. So I'm just gonna clean it and come back. So I went ahead and cleaned all the bolts and the pins and the jet and the float, and this I cleaned as much as I could. For now, I'm probably gonna order a new carburetor, but I'm just gonna clean this for now as much as I can, and then put it back and see if it's gonna run. I clean all the jet here, as you can see, still dirty, so I'm just gonna try to clean it more. So I'm just gonna take out the main jet, and it's kind of loose. Finally, as you can see, I need to look on the light. I can see the light through it. I'm just gonna clean it with a tip cleaner. I'm gonna spray some carb cleaner inside. Okay, looks clean enough. Take the tube, emulsification tube. I just pushed it. See, yep, right here. There's some jets inside that. Holes need to be clean as well. I'm just gonna use the tip cleaner and go through all these holes, and I'm just gonna clean it one by one. It's very fine jets, so I'm just gonna make sure I go through all of them. Also, I just wanna make sure I drain all the gas, because I don't know if that's gas, but gas doesn't do it like that. Like, gas usually comes like a gel or something when it's too old, you know. But this, it's different. Okay, so I'm just gonna blow some carb cleaner in there. It's all clear. I cleaned it. Just make sure it's clean again. gonna do it one more time. Take my time and do it so I don't have to take the carb out again. I mean, they say I'm gonna buy another carb, or with this carb is not gonna, I mean, it will run hopefully, but I don't like the way it looks. I don't know what kind of chemical is that inside, or somebody tried to put something in there, clean it. So yeah, just gonna clean this quick. Okay, it's time to put it back. Actually, there's a jet here I need to take out, so I'm just gonna make sure. Just gonna see this screw, see how many spins. You know what, let me use this. Okay, that's big. Let me use the, okay, I'm gonna see how many spins to push it in all the way. So I'm just gonna mark it with this. So 1 half, 1, 1.5, 2, 1.5, 3, almost and a half. So put it 3.5. Just eyeball it. Okay, so you have to take this one out. Still there. Okay, just don't lose it. Alright. There's a jet over here, behind this. It's not gonna come up, but, and this is kind of loose as well. So I'm just gonna make sure it's clean. Put some, I can't see. Just gonna blow some carb cleaner in there, and from the other jets, maybe it will lead to this one. Make sure it's clean. Okay, so I blow some carb cleaner in there, and I'm just gonna use this again to just make sure it's look in the lights. Maybe I'm just gonna see. Okay, so I cleaned that. I'm just gonna put the screw back in and tighten that. Make sure it's tight so the vibration doesn't make it loose again. Okay, and we're gonna put this back. Make sure it's not, let's tighten it all the way, and then loosen it like 3.5, 3.25 turns. Okay, so I believe that's how it was. So that's half. Slipped. Oh, I gotta do it again. Okay. So 1, 2. No, I messed up again. I missed counting. So that's like So 1.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3 and a quarter. Yeah, that's about it. So that's good to go. Just gonna alright, but what else? Yeah, this the jet main jet. Okay, make sure I don't drop it. I dropped the needle. Alright. Okay. One more time. Yeah. Alright. I just drop it here. And put the pen through. Okay, so this is just gonna blow some air here on this position and that position, so see if it's functioning as should or not. So in this position, the needle is sitting on the, it's blocking the fuel, so there's no fuel going in, which is good. So when I do it like this, let's see, as you can hear, this gas will be going through, so which is functioning well. All right. Yes. Gotta put the emulsification tube. So just make sure this, this head is first, this side is first down, and try to push it with. Sure, you can look here. You can see it sticking out. Yep, sticking out. If you can see it, it's right there. And I'm gonna put the main jet. Okay, so the main jet here. I'm just gonna screw back in, and we're almost done. Hopefully we'll start until I order a new. I'm not gonna even clean that because it looks bad really, but I just wanna show everybody how to clean it. And okay, make sure it's tight, everything works. Alright, so there's a gasket here. I didn't take it out because the reason, if I clean it, it's gonna break, and this is only cost like, I don't know, like $10 I checked. So it's better I buy the whole carb for like maybe $15, $19. So, and instead of just buying this ring for like $10. So yeah, so I clean it as much as I could for now until I order. So make sure this is going in. No, this, yeah, this gonna be going in. So make sure this side is, can reach you from outside or on the side like this. So I'm just gonna put it back, screw it. Alright, and Let's put it back and see if it's gonna run. I'm just gonna drain the fuel over here. It's kind of water actually. It's not even fuel. No, there's no fuel smell in it. Just gonna open the top so it drains quicker. Somebody put water by mistake. Gonna try to flush it with old gas. Just gonna tilt it so if any fuel good enough. Alright. So it's time to put it back. So I just flushed the gas tank and I'm gonna put it back. So I'm gonna put this over here first. Okay, and that's the governor link as well. Make sure nothing in between. Alright, so also I'm just gonna push the fuel line. Okay, I don't want to forget the clamp. Yes. Okay, I put the clamp back on. Alright, so this is the carb. So this thing fall off. Okay, so put all leakages back, I hope. This is, I'm not sure, but I believe this is how it should be working. If not, I'll take it apart again. So okay, so the heat shield goes here, I believe this way. Okay, what else? Okay, the cover, I cleaned it, air filter. So I'm just gonna align them. So here, there's a gasket here I didn't take out. Okay, so this is goes first, then the carb. Then clean that. Alright, and then the heat shield, either this way or that way. Okay. If it goes that way, it's gonna block this, so probably it's that way. Alright, and there is a breather hose that goes here. Alright. Just untie it first. Okay, and also there's a bolt here. If you can see it, there's a bolt here we took out. I'm just gonna bolt first. This. Okay, make sure it's not. Okay, and we're not gonna forget this housing bolt. To go, and that's it. We need to put the air filter back and cover and put some fuel, and we will try see if it's gonna run or not. Make sure all the linkages are moving from the back. Just grab them Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, so I put fuel in there. I turned the fuel valve on, put the spark plug connection back. So it works, but it needs some adjustment. The throttle cable, and also the blade starts, but it doesn't self-propel. So I need to check the cables as well. And that's about it. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.